So in today's video, we will be seeing 7 AI tools that will save your time in your SaaS business. Number 1 in our list is Notion AI. Notion is one of the most popular tools among the startups or businesses. Here is a product which Notion offers. With the help of Notion AI, you can save tons of your time in designing your template for your SaaS application or your business. It helps you to manage your team, it helps you to manage your project, and also provides you AI and smart recommendation for your particular work. Coming second on our list is Burly. Burly is one of the tools which helps people in reading and doing the research for a long big books or documents. Even it is has capability to read the post and the blogs also. It helps in extracting the key information from large books and the text articles and providing you the right relevant information that matters to you. Third, we are having Slides AI. Slides AI helps you to create amazing PPTs with no time which you can use in your presentation. If you are a scholar or if you are a school student, this is the perfect AI tool which will help and ease your work in your day-to-day life. Jenny is one another tool just like Burly. It helps you for getting a good research paper or a product report that which is generated with the help of an AI. It is quick, easy, automate, and fast way to generate your reports and a good research paper on your topic. Number 5 on our list is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 will help you to make nice videos for your business. It's really great tool that saves a ton of time if you are creating a small advertisement for your product of your business. With the help of an AI, it gives you the best out of best video for your particular SaaS application. Number 6 on our list is Luca. This tool will help you to create beautiful branding for your products, business card, t-shirt, or something that you want to do. This is amazing tool. With the help of an AI, it creates your branding on your particular products or accessories. If you want to save time, then use Luca for your branding and design. Last but not the least, on the 7th, we are having Whisper Memos. Whisper Memos is one of my favorite tools for getting through my emails and going through all the work at the same time. It helps me to summarize what is my email about and what I have to get from that particular email. With this tool, you can actually get the whole time save for your big office emails that you get. Today's video was actually inspired by my blog that I have posted on Medium. Links would be in the description so you can go and check it out. Also, I wanted to highlight one of my book that I recently wrote on cheat code for building SaaS. If you are into SaaS development or you are going to start a project, or if you are even non-technical person, you will be able to get a good amount of help from this book. You will be able to see useful resources, tips and tricks, technology stack out there, and also the cost optimization for your particular SaaS. The links would be in the description. You can check it out. I hope you liked today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.